In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a drop-down mega menu in Wix. If you're organizing a lot of pages or want to guide visitors quickly to key content, a drop-down mega menu can make your site feel polished and easy to explore. I'll walk you through the exact process, explain what each step does, and share simple tips to keep everything clear and user-friendly. Start by opening your site in Wix Editor or Wix Studio. You'll be working directly on your live layout, so you can see how the menu looks as you build it. On the left panel, click Menus and Pages. This is your central hub for all page organization and navigation control. It's where you'll connect your site's pages to the main menu and decide how they're nested. Select your main menu and click Manage Menu. This opens the structure your visitors will see at the top of your site. To create a drop-down, add subpages under a main menu item. Think of the main item as a category and the subpages as the content inside it. Drag a page slightly to the right under the main item to nest it. Keep labels short and clear so the drop-down stays readable and helpful. If you want a broader layout that can showcase more than just a simple list, choose a mega menu. Click the menu on your canvas, select Settings, go to Layout and choose Mega Menu if it's available. This layout expands your drop-down into a wider panel, giving you room for multiple groups, promotional items, or featured content. If you don't see the mega option, it may depend on your current menu type or template, so use the standard drop-down for now and focus on clean organization. Once the mega menu layout is enabled, drag and arrange subpage links, buttons, or images inside the drop-down area. This is where your structure comes to life. Group related links together, place the most important items near the top left, and use images sparingly to highlight key destinations without clutter. Buttons can draw attention to signups, featured collections, or contact pages, while standard links keep the rest of your navigation straightforward. As you arrange items, aim for balance. Avoid creating a wall of text, and make sure each group has a clear purpose. Consistency in naming helps visitors predict where to click, and a logical order reduces friction. When everything looks organized and aligned, your drop-down mega menu will feel intuitive and professional the moment someone hovers over it. That's all it takes to build a clear, effective mega menu in Wix. Keep it simple, stay organized, and you'll guide visitors exactly where they need to go.